The StraightWall Sliding Room Divider is our revolutionary, expandable, and affordable portable partition. It is the perfect high-quality, cost-effective space-dividing solution to maximize the use of your space. With its sliding telescope hinges, each StraightWall panel slides into another to create a wall of any length and easily contracts to one panel width for stress-free storage. Each end of the StraightWall uses full-sized panels which stay at a fixed 90 degrees for added stability, sturdiness, and attractiveness of the partition. The StraightWall has an elegant extruded aluminum frame which makes it strong yet lighter than partitions with steel frames. Its panels are made of acoustic honeycomb panels, which increase sound dampening. It's also able to be wall-mounted. With over 30 color options, our StraightWall can seamlessly integrate with your environment.